In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment request on Wise, guiding you through the process step by step. Whether you're requesting payment from a friend, a client, or a family member, Wise makes it convenient to receive funds, and I'll ensure you know exactly what to do. To get started, open your internet browser and navigate to the Wise homepage. You'll want to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Payment Requests option in the menu. This is your gateway to making an official request for funds. Clicking on Payment Requests will lead you to a new page where you can initiate a payment request. Here you'll find the Request a Payment button, which you need to click. This step is essential as it officially begins the process of requesting money from another party. Now, you'll have the option to choose the currency in which you want to receive the payment. Wise offers a variety of currencies, allowing for international transactions without the headache of confusing exchange rates. Click on the Choose Currency button and select the appropriate currency from the drop-down menu. Be sure to confirm your selection, ensuring you're receiving money in the right denomination. Next, you'll see an option to get account details. By clicking here, Wise will generate the necessary account information that the person sending you money will need. This includes information like bank details or relevant transfer details, dependent on the currency and country specifics. It's important to provide these details to the person who will be making the payment to ensure a smooth transaction. As you proceed, you may notice the Continue button a couple of times, specifically in the process of adding money. Click on it each time to move forward in the process. Wise streamlines these steps to make sure you don't miss anything crucial. If you've already made your bank transfer, you can simply click on the I've made my bank transfer confirmation. Otherwise, you have the flexibility to finalize your transfer later by selecting the I'll transfer my money later option. This flexibility ensures you don't feel rushed and can manage your banking details at a convenient time. By following these steps, you are now equipped to send a payment request on Wise confidently. Once your payment request is sent, simply wait for the other party to complete their transaction. You'll receive a notification when the payment goes through. Remember, Wise is designed to make sending and receiving money simple, transparent, and economical. If you encounter any challenges or have more questions, you can always consult the Wise Help section or reach out to their customer support for further assistance. Happy transacting!